What's the difference between saying near the river and by the river? Both describe closeness, but by gives a more specific sense of position. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the preposition by when something is right next to or very close to another thing. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Place series. In the previous episode, we learned about near, which means close but not touching. Now we'll explore by, a preposition that takes us one step closer, showing immediate closeness or direct connection. The word by shows that two things are next to each other or very close in distance. It often means beside or next to. We use by to describe something located close to another object. For example, he is standing by the door, the cat is by the window, and there's a lamp by the bed. In each case, the object is right beside something else. We say, he's sitting by the river, not in or near the river. It means he's beside the riverbank, close enough to see and hear the water, but not inside it. In a city, you might say, there's a cafe by the bus stop. That means the cafe is located directly next to it, just a few steps away. In daily life, by appears everywhere. You might keep your phone by your laptop, your chair by your desk, or your dog might lie by the door. Each phrase shows something positioned immediately beside another. When we talk about people, by shows physical closeness. She's standing by her friend, or he sat by me. It means right beside, close enough to see or touch. The difference between by and near is distance. Near means close but not necessarily touching. By means right next to or immediately beside. So if your house is almost touching the tree, you say by the tree. By, next to, and beside often share the same meaning, very close or touching. You can say, sit by me, sit next to me, or sit beside me. All three are correct. Near, on the other hand, allows a little more space in between. When describing places, by gives a clear image. My house is by the lake. There's a bench by the tree. The shop is by the road. Each shows direct position right beside something. When giving directions, by helps you point out nearby landmarks. The cafe is by the metro station, or the pharmacy is by the main gate. It's an easy way to show direct proximity. Both she lives near the station and she lives by the station are correct. But near means close and by means directly beside or opposite. Here's an easy trick to remember. By means immediately beside. It's the preposition you use when two things are side by side. Let's recap. Use by to show immediate closeness. Use by to describe position next to something. And remember, by is stronger and closer than near. That's how we use the preposition by. It's simple but powerful, used whenever two things are close together or side by side. In our next episode, we'll move even closer and talk about next to, which shows things that are immediately beside each other, with no space in between. Subscribe and keep learning every preposition of place step by step.